Canada. I worked in one of the big company for 5 years in AS400 side. But when I landed here in Canada, I tried my best to find a good job, but I failed in all my attempts. And I also did 1 year diploma from downtown in one of the good institute. But due to lack of guidance, I failed in finding a spot in the job market. And luckily, one of my friend referred me to the NetSoft, which produces a fruitful result for me. Here in NetSoft, I made very good friends. Initially, we started off with a group of 22 people, and out of that group, 17 people got a very good job in the first 6 months of the training. Here in NetSoft, we got free trainings, and we went through the hiring process, which helped me a lot in finding out a good job in the IT market. Recently, we repeated the VM training course. Actually, nowadays in the market, everybody is talking about the virtualization stuff, and I hope this doing this course all over again will help me a lot in moving forward towards my career. Here in NetSoft, all the trainers pushed us hard for the course contents and all the labs. And here in the NetSoft, we got free trainings. Over 200 hours we spent on the hiring process, in which we created and created resumes, and we prepared for the interviews, and we made a lot of group discussions. We got the list of recruiters, and we got a very good support from the classmates and from the instructors. That really helped me a lot, in fact, in getting myself placed in the market, which I was really looking for the last 6-7 years here in Canada. I wish and I request all of you and recommend NetSoft to come and experience the difference in your life for yourself.